The JS3 RS, an amazing 18 and 15 meter electric propulsion self-launch glider. And with the latest software on the electric propulsion system, there's amazing new features that I would like to show you today. The panel is very similar to the previous layout. We still have the master switch, the 12-volt battery selector switch, then the control unit, and finally we have a motor controller circuit breaker which could be used and popped in emergencies. Alright, there are three ways to switch on the system. The first is just a normal way where the power is selected. In this case we only have one HV battery installed, and we always will get a warning to say if you have one battery, no takeoff is allowed. Quite a number of warnings given to make sure that you don't take off with one battery. In this mode is the standby mode, from where we can now select to either charge the batteries or which we can activate the system. To charge the batteries, the switch is switched down. Again, get a warning. The power bus is pre-charged, and now we can see that our avionic batteries are being charged. To stop charging, the flick down again. And if you would like to extend the system, you push it up. Note that you cannot go directly from charge to start. You first have to switch the system off. And as you can see now, the system now extends in automatic mode. If you look at the yellow triangles, meaning that the system holds the propeller in a fixed position. In this specific mode, you will see, and this could be done with a lot of care, is that the motor is attempting to keep the vertical position. If you hold it, the force will be higher and higher to move it to the center, and you can see that it always attempts to align it vertically. Any movement from the air will be rectified or corrected by a force from the motor controller. To retract the motor, the retraction button is pushed down once, and it will only retract while the motor is in the vertical mode. If it goes out of position, the position will stop, and only once it's vertically again, the retraction mode will continue. This feature enables it to retract it in a safe position despite any influence of wind or turbulence on the propeller.